HK Cooking. My name is HK. I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I want to show you how to make Dalgona. Recently Dalgona is very famous because of Squid Game. Dalgona is like a honeycomb, but you can make very quickly and simply. Today I want to show you how to make king Dalgona. Normally use the small ladle, but today I'm going to use this kind of small saucepan and half cup of sugar. Normally if you use this ladle, just 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon and just a little bit of baking soda. And then I'm going to use the chopstick, so I will use this whole one. I will use this one today. Most important thing is the heat, so start low heat. This is very important. And pour the sugar half cup and until wait outside melt. So we have to wait about at least 3 minutes. So until melt the sugar, I'm going to show you how to pour the sugar syrup. So before pour, I want to use just a little bit of oil on top of the parchment paper. And then also if you want to make the shape, I want to put just a little bit of oil. And when start to melt the sugar, then you can stir it. Then a little bit of high heat. 이 세게 하면 빨리 되는데 그 대신 타면서 and stir very well until sugar change the clear color. The important point is that you have to wait until melt perfectly. I think it looks almost done. Then just 1 tiny bit of soda. Then wait about 10 seconds. So I'm going to use this snowman, so please do not use the plastic one. So we have to wait about 10 seconds. Then take it up the gingerbread man. Ta-da! This is King Dalgona. I want to show you how to make it. Gingerbread man die. I'm going to try just a little bit. This is very sweet candy, but there are some little different flavors, so I hope you make it at home because it's very simple and fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.